One of the best ways to diagnose your engine or cooling system problems without stripping it down is to use one of these Repco infrared thermometers. Let's start with identifying the misfiring cylinder. Okay, we know that this engine is misfiring, but we don't know which of the cylinders is causing the problem. I could check this by taking off the spark plug packs and checking the plugs, but it's much quicker and easier to use the Repco Infrared Thermometer to test the temperature of each header. Let the engine run for about 5 minutes and then compare the temperatures between each cylinder. These headers are at 58 to 78 degrees, but this one is only 45 degrees. So clearly, this is the one that isn't firing. When using this Repco infrared thermometer, it really can save you heaps of time diagnosing problems, and it's also terrific for checking the temperature of the meat on the barbecue.